Be careful. These 5 foods can become toxic if cooked or overcooked. We all know that cooking is an art, but believe us, it's also a science. To make food healthy and wholesome, you need to know the science behind each food. Every ingredient in your pantry, whether it's a vegetable, meat or masala, contains nutrients that react differently when heated or mixed with other foods. Some mixtures increase the goodness of food, while others make it poisonous. There are also some foods that are best served raw or moderately cooked. Why do you ask? This is because the nutrients in these foods are washed away when exposed to heat. Here we help you identify few such everyday food ingredients that we often overcook, making them unhealthy to consume. Let's get started. Is it healthy to eat overcooked food? Believe it or not, the way food is prepared determines how healthy it is. Cooking food causes a chemical reaction that makes it edible or unfit for everyone. Health experts say that overcooking certain foods degrades their quality, appearance and taste and makes them difficult to digest. Why should some foods not be overcooked? 1. Affects taste and aroma. Do you like to eat food that looks pale? Of course not. Look and feel play a big role in defining the dining experience. And keeping certain ingredients raw or moderately cooked will help you reach your goal. Be aware that overcooking some foods changes the natural flavor and color of some foods. 2. Remove foods. As mentioned before, cooking causes some chemical changes in the properties of the ingredients. The loss of nutrients in some foods makes them unhealthy for consumption. 3. Causes intestinal problems. Sometimes the change in chemicals makes food difficult to digest, causing bloating, indigestion, acidity and other intestinal problems. This leads to several other health problems including weight gain, skin rashes, etc. 4. Leads to pollution. Overcooking certain foods causes bacteria to grow, making them carcinogenic. This mainly happens when food chars or burns.